Are you looking for a new robot vacuum, but don't know which one to choose because of the different options that are available? Well, in this video, we break down the top 3 affordable robot vacuums on the market this year based on performance and situations they will be used in. So whether you're looking for a basic robot vacuum that works for hard surface flooring or a robot vacuum that can handle both hard flooring and carpeting and works with your digital assistant, we'll have an option for you. So if you're interested in finding out which affordable robot vacuum will be best for you, stay tuned. We'll start with the iLife V3S Pro, our choice for best affordable robot vacuum under $200. The iLife V3S Pro robot vacuum has both a low profile for getting under all your low-slung furniture and suction power that can rival more expensive vacuums with a price point under $200 makes for a very attractive option. The V3S Pro is perfect for smaller spaces with mostly hard flooring surfaces like hardwood or tile. It has a low, flat design that's just over 3.5 inches in height, making it great for getting under most sofas and beds. The front of the vacuum has wall sensors and the underside has drop sensors, and it has 2 rotating brushes that sweep dirt toward the main suction port on the underside of the vacuum. When the dustbin is full, you just press down on the top face of the V3S Pro. No flip open so you can remove the dustbin for emptying. To start cleaning, you can use the remote, press the clean button on the vacuum, or set a schedule. Using cleaning schedules is great because you can have the V3S Pro go to work while you're away and come home to consistently clean rooms. You'll get about 1.5 hours of cleaning time on a full charge, enough to handle a standard 2-bedroom apartment or a smaller 3-bedroom. For a multi-level home, it would probably require a full charge per level. Next, we'll be looking at the Eufy RoboVac 11S, our choice for best cheap robot vacuum for the money. The Eufy RoboVac 11S is cheaper than most robot vacuums, but it performs above its class and is able to clean carpet, hardwood, tile, and other types of flooring, giving you excellent bang for the money. The 11S comes with a charging station and a remote that lets you set up cleaning schedules and for monitoring operations. Or you can manually set it to clean with a single button press along the front. There's a sensor to help the 11S avoid obstacles, and a spring-loaded bumper is in place to protect your baseboards and furniture legs. When the vacuum makes contact with a stationary object, it will turn and move in a random direction, which can be frustrating to watch, but in the end it will manage to bump its way to a thorough cleaning of your room. Dual spin brushes at the front reach out to sweep debris into the path of the vacuum, and is then picked up by the rolling brush and suction into the dustbin. The large bin is easy to access and releases with the push of a button for emptying. The bin also uses a reusable filter that traps fine particles. The 11S also uses drop sensors that keep the vacuum safe from hazards like stairs. You'll find that it cleans pretty effectively, and when needed, the Boost IQ suction mode will kick in for extra cleaning power. And like the iLife V, the 3S Pro, its low profile lets it travel under furniture so you won't have to move your heavy sofa to vacuum underneath it. It also is pretty good at navigating the height transition between hardwood tile floors and area rugs. Last, we have the iRobot Roomba 675, our choice for best overall affordable robot vacuums. The iRobot Roomba 675 is a smart budget robot vacuum with plenty of power and intelligent features. It learns your cleaning habits and can automatically create personalized cleaning schedules with its Google Assistant and Alexa capability. You can start cleaning with just your voice if you have a lot of carpeted areas in your home. Roomba 675 has the ability to deep clean carpets using its dual brush roll system while effectively handling hard surfaces too. The Roomba 675 is good at getting under tables and around chair legs, and its 3.7-inch height lets it slip under couches and beds to give your home a more thorough clean. What I love is that as it moves from room to room, even area rugs and bath mats won't cause it to get hung up on the height transition, which means less time spent on rescuing the vacuum. The Roomba 675 excels at picking up all types of debris from all surfaces from fine to extra large, and has a dirt detect sensor that will make it circle around the area a few times. If it detects a particularly dirty spot with the iRobot app, you'll be able to start and stop the cleaning. Check the battery life. get notifications if it's stuck, and of course, schedule cleaning. The built-in Wi-Fi also lets the Roomba 600 7-to-5 work with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant responding to your voice commands to start or stop cleaning, return to its charging dock. Locate the vacuum if it stops under a bed, and more for battery life. You'll get about 90 minutes per charge with a 2-hour recharge time. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now. So if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Hope you have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon for the next video.